Hello? I'm here to explain why a medical internship, a so-called hospitation, is a crucial step on your path to professional recognition in Germany. Why is an internship so important? It gives you practical insights into the daily routines of German hospitals, from workflows and medical procedures to patient care. Employers can better assess your skills, increasing your chances of securing a permanent position. You'll improve your German proficiency, especially medical terminology and patient communication. How does it work? Duration, usually 1-2 weeks, sometimes longer. Compensation, typically unpaid, though some clinics may cover accommodation or meals. Accommodation, often arranged by the hospital. Make sure to confirm this in advance. How we support you. If you join the Medical Talent Network, which is easily be done if you apply via one of our Apply Now buttons, we create a professional profile for you in our medical talent pool. Employers can view your anonymized profile and send contact requests, but you decide whether to respond. Your personal data remains protected at all times. There is a very high demand for observerships in German hospitals. Increase your chances of securing one with a free professional profile in our medical talent pool. You can find more information in our booklet, which you can download for free. Simply enter the link next to me into your browser. Best of luck with your hospitation.